Hello students, welcome to the fourth video of science, class 7, chapter 15, light. In the first three videos of this chapter, we have discussed about the reflection of light, rectilinear propagation of light, and about the image formed by the plane mirror, and we have also discussed about the different spherical mirror. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the lens. So let us begin the video. Let us know about the lenses. What are lenses? A lens is made of two transparent surfaces in which at least one surface is curved. You must have seen a magnifying glass which is used to read very small print. It is actually a lens. And now let us know about the different types of lenses. Basically, on the basis of the outer surface of the lenses, they are categorized into two types. First is convex lens and second is concave lens. So let us know about these lenses in detail. First, let us understand about convex lens. A convex lens is thick in the middle and thin at its edge. The convex lens are also known as converging lens because when the light ray are pass out from the convex lens, then they are centered at a point or they are converged at a point, and that's why convex lens are also called converging lens. The second type of lens is concave lens. A concave lens is thinner at its center than at its edges. The concave lens are also called converging lens because when the light rays are passed through concave lens, then they diverge away from each other, and that's why concave lens are also called diverging lens. Now let us understand the image formed by a convex lens. The nature of the image formed by the concave lens is depend on the distance between the object and the lens. The image formed by a convex lens, when the object is placed too close to the lens, then it is virtual, erect and magnified. And when the object is placed at a distance from the lens, then the image is real, inverted and diminished. And now let us know about the image formed by a concave lens. The concave lens formed a virtual, upright and smaller image than the object. And now let us discuss what are the different uses of lenses. A lens has the following uses. Lenses are used in magnifying glasses, peepholes, cameras, binoculars, telescope, microscopes and projectors. And a refracting telescope uses a concave mirror and a convex lens. And lenses are also used in spectacles to correct the eye defects. Let us understand what are the difference between concave and convex lenses. You can see a table on your screen in which the major differences between concave and convex lenses are displayed. First is a concave lens is thinner in middle and thicker at its edges, while a convex lens is thicker in middle and thinner at its edges. Second, the image formed by concave lens is virtual, upright and smaller than the object, while the image formed by convex lens is virtual, upright and larger than the object. Third, concave lens is also known as diverging lens because they diverge light ray passing through it, while convex lens is known as converging lens because they converge the light rays passing through it. Fourth, concave means hollow or rounded, while convex means curved or rounded like the outside of a sphere or circle. Fifth, concave lenses are used in telescope, spy holes in doors, etc., while convex lenses are used to focus sunlight and in camera, overhead projector, magnifying glasses, etc. Now let's revise what we have learned today by answering the following questions. Question 1. A lens is made of two transparent surfaces in which at least one surface is, and your option are A. plain, B. irregular, C. curved, D. none of these. And the right answer is C. curved. Question 2. A concave lens always forms dash image. Option A. real, B. virtual, C. erect, D. none of these. And the right answer is B. virtual. Question 3. A refracting telescope uses a concave mirror and a dash. Option A. convex mirror, B. plane mirror, C. convex lens, D. concave lens. And the right answer is C. convex lens. Question 4. To correct the eye defects, dash are used. Option A. mirror, B. lens, C. glass, D. all of these. And the right answer is B. lens. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screens. See you soon in the next video of this chapter. Do like and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching.